Hello friends, so how are you all? I hope so you all will be fit and fine at your home. So now we are going to start the video. As you know that we have discussed earlier about all the chemistry doubts regarding NEET UG 2020. So today we will discuss all the questions of physics of NEET UG 2020, and remember this that it is applicable for only E2 set. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started the video. Yes, we were on the 48th question. The question is, which of the following graph represents the variation of resistivity with temperature T for copper? So here we can see option C will be correct. Next, move on 49th question. In a certain region of space with volume 0.2 meter cube, the electric potential is found to be 5 volt throughout the magnitude of electric field in this region. So the magnitude will be 0. Okay, next 50th question. For the logic circuit shown, the table is. So here option A is correct. In 51st question, a 40 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 200 volt 50 Hz are supplied to the RMS value of the current in the circuit is nearly, it will be 2.5 ampere. Next is 52nd question. A cylinder contains hydrogen gas at pressure 249 kilopascal and temperature to 27 degrees Celsius. Then its density is, here R value is given, that is 8.3 joule mole inverse and Kelvin inverse. It will be 0.2 kilogram per meter cube. Next, move on 53rd question. Taking into account of the significant figure, SF is the value of 9.99 m minus 0.009. Then we get option B is correct, that is 9.98 meter. Next 54th question. The mean free path for a gas with molecular diameter and number density can be expressed as. So here option B is correct. Next 55th question. An iron of susceptibility 599 is subjected to a magnetic field of 1200 ampere meter inverse. The permeability of the material of rod is. So here mu naught value is given, then we will get a correct option in the form of A option is correct. Next 56th question. A short electric dipole has a dipole moment of 16 into 10 to power minus 9 centimeter. The electric potential due to dipole at a point at a distance of 0.6 meter from the center of the dipole situated on a line making angle of 60 degree with dipole axis is, then option B is correct, that is 200 volt. Next move on 57th question. A body weight 72 Newton on the surface of the earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height equal to half the radius of earth? Then we will get gravitation force 32 Newton. Next 58th question. The solids which have the negative temperature coefficient of resistance are, that will be insulator and semiconductor. Next we will move on 59th question. Light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency is incident on a photosensitive material. What will be the photoelectric current if the frequency is halved and intensity is doubled? Then it will become 0. Next 60th question. A series LCR circuit is connected to an AC voltage source. When L is removed from the circuit, the phase difference between current and voltage is pi by 3. If instead C is removed from the circuit, the phase difference is again pi by 3 between current and voltage. The power factor of the current is, here we have to find out the power factor of circuit. So option C is correct, that is 1. Next 61 question. A spherical conductor of radius 10 cm has a charge of 3.2 into 10 to power minus 7 coulomb distributed uniformly. What is the magnitude of electric field at a point 15 centimeter from the center of sphere. So here option B is correct. Next 62 question. Find the torque about the origin when a force of 3 cap Newton acts on a particle whose position vector is 2 cap m. So here option C is correct. Next 63 question. A charged particle having drift velocity of 7.5 into 10 to power minus 4 meter second inverse is an electric field of 3 into 10 to power minus 10 velocity meter inverse has a mobility in this form. We have to find the mobility, then option B is correct. 2.5 into 10 to power 6. Next 64 question. A ray incident at an angle of incidence I on one surface of small angle prism with angle of prism A and emerges normally from the opposite surface. If the refractive index of the material of the prism is mu, then the angle of incidence is nearly equal to, then option C is correct. Next move on 65th question. The quantities of heat required to raise the temperature of two solid copper spheres of radii R1 and R2. Here R1 is given R1 is equal to 1.5 R2 through 1 Kelvin R in the ratio, then it will in the ratio of 27/8 means 27:8. Next, when a uranium isotope mu 235 and 92 is bombarded with a neutron, it generates this and 3 neutrons, and so here option A is correct. Next 67th question. The phase difference between displacement and acceleration of a particle in a simple harmonic motion is, so here option A is correct. Next move 68 question. A resistant wire conducted in the left gap of meter bridge balances a 10 ohm resistance in the right gap at a point which divides the bridge wire in the ratio 3:2. If the length of the resistance wire is 1.5 meter, then the length of 1 ohm of the resistance wire is, here option B is correct. Next move to 69th question. A capillary tube of radius is immersed in water and water rises it into a height h. The mass of the water in the capillary is 5 gram. Another capillary tube of radius 2r is immersed in water. The mass of the water that will rise in this tube is, so option C is correct, that is 10 gram. Now move to 70th question. The ratio of contributions made by the electric field and magnetic field components to the intensity of an electromagnetic wave is, then B option is correct. Moving to the next question. In Young's double slit experiment, if the separation between coherent sources is halved and the distance of screen from the coherent sources is doubled, then the fringe width will become 4 times. Next question. A long solenoid of 50 cm length having 100 turns carries a current of 2.5 ampere. The magnetic field at the center of solenoid is, here mu naught value is given, so option A is correct. Next question. A ball is thrown vertically downward with a velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of tower. It hits the ground after some time with a velocity of 80 meter per second. The height of the tower is, so G value is given, so here option D is correct, that is 300 meter. Now 74th question. For which of one of the following Bohr model is not valid? Then it is not valid for singly ionized neon atom. Next 75th question. The average thermal energy for a Monoatomic gas is here Boltzmann constant and T absolute temperature. So option B is correct. Next question, two particles of mass 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to the ends of a rigid rod of length 1 meter with negligible mass. The center of mass of the system from the 5 kg particle is nearly at a distance of 67 centimeter. Next 77th question, in a guitar two strings A and B made of same material are slightly out of the tune and produce beats of frequency 6 Hz. When tension in B is slightly decreased, the beat frequency increased to 7 Hz. If the frequency of A is 530 Hz, the original frequency of B will be 524 Hz. Next 78th question, two cylinders A and B of equal capacity are connected to each other via a stopcock contains an ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. B is compactly evacuated. The entire system is thermally insulated. The stopcock is suddenly opened. The process is called isothermal process. Next 79th question, the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with air as medium is 6 microfarad. With the introduction of dielectric medium, the capacitance becomes 30 microfarad. The permittivity of the medium is, here option C is correct. Next 18th question, an electron is accelerated from rest through a potential difference of V volt. If the de Broglie wavelength of the electron is 1.227 into 10 to power minus 2 nm, the potential difference is, then option D is correct, 10 to power 4 volt. Next 81 question, a wire of length L, area of cross section A is hanging from a fixed support. The length of the wire changes to L when mass M is suspended from a free end. The expression for Young's modulus is, then option D is correct. Next 82 question, the Brewster angle IB for an interface should be, then option C is correct. Now 83 question, two bodies of mass 4 kg and 6 kg are tied to ends of massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity is, then it is g by 5. C option is correct. Here in 84th question, dimension of stress is asked, then option D is correct. Then 85th question, a screw gauge has least count of 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions in its circuit scale. The pitch of the screw gauge is, here pitch is 0.5 mm. Next, the energy required to break one bond in DNA is 10 to power minus 20 joule. This value in eV electron volt is nearly, so it is nearly 0.06. The color code of resistance is given below. Here the color code is given and we have to find the resistance told us respectively. Here we should find the values of resistance and tolerance. So option D is correct. Next 88th question, assume that light of wavelength 600 nanometer is coming from a star. The limit of resolution of telescope whose objective has a diameter of 2 meter is, then option A will be correct. Next 89th question, the increase in the width of depletion region in PN junction diode is due to, then it is due to reverse bias only. Next 90th question and the last question of physics question, the energy equivalent of 0.5 gram of substance is, then option B is correct, that is 4.5 into 10 to power 13 joule.